3, single H60, inbound from Springfield, request route 5 to the Pentagon.
Texas 3, Washington Tower, Washington Tower 2, Niner, radar contact, right by altitude 1100 feet.
Confirm we're at 1100 right now.
3, roger. Texas 3, say your request one more time.
Route 5 to the Pentagon.
Texas 3, you said route 5 to Pentagon?
Confirm route 5 to the Pentagon for Patsy 3.
Texas 3, hold at 3 miles west of the DCA.
Hold 3 miles west of DCA for Patsy 3.
Texas 3, proceed to Glebe and hold.
Proceed to Glebe and hold for Patsy 3. Patsy 3 holding at Glebe.
Texas 3, roger. 3, currently the traffic is at 2.5 mile final. After that traffic, I'll get you in.
Patsy 3 has that traffic in, roger.
Texas 3, proceed route 5 to Pentagon.
Proceed route 5 to the Pentagon, Patsy 3.
Washington Tower, Delta 1671, Arnez, Zulu 19.
Blue Street 1673, turn right on Tech 3, Foxtrot, contact ground 27.
Right, Fox, over ground,
1671, Washington Tower, wind 110 at 10, runway 19er, clear to land. Traffic is holding in position.
Runway 19er, clear to land, Delta 1671.
Patsy 3 Glebe.
38, roger. Texas 3, report landing assured.
Patsy 3.
Texas 3, say, report landing assured.
Told you, Patsy 3.
With you on the river visual 19.
Delta 1671, climb maintain 3000, go around 3000.
Going around 3000, Delta 1671.
Breaker 4394, Washington Tower, traffic is at 4 out, runway 19er, long wait.
Runway 19er, Tower, Breaker 5825, river visual 19.
Breaker 5825, Washington Tower, wind 170 at 9er, runway 19er, clear line. Traffic is holding in position.
Roger that, 19, clear line.
Delta 1671, turn right, heading 280.
Heading 280, Delta 1671.
Delta 1671, contact System First 118.95.
11895, Delta 1671.
Patsy 3, just be advised, that's 5600 to
Delta 1671, heading 250. Breaker 4394, wind 130 at 10, traffic is at 3 out, runway 19er, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 19, Breaker 4394.
Patsy 3, roger, turn to the Pentagon, counterclockwise, out of the 200 feet helipad, and have to get very flat 4 after your circle on the Pentagon, you're clear to land. And Patsy 3, the maximum power to be clearance to land on the helipad.
Tower, Endeavor 5221, river visual 19.
Endeavor 5221, Washington Tower, wind 130 at 10, runway 19er, clear land. Traffic will depart higher.
Clear to lane 19, Endeavor 5221.
3, are you with me?
Patsy 3 with you.
That's landing assured.
Landing assured for Patsy 3.
Breaker 5825, go around, climb maintain 3000.
Going around, climb maintain 3000, Breaker 5225.
Breaker 4394, contact System Departure.
Departure will see Breaker 4394.
Breaker 5825, turn right, heading 250.
250, Breaker 5825.
3, proceed westbound now. 2-3, tower.
Go on Patsy 3.
Proceed westbound now.
Patsy 3 is at the Pentagon.
Patsy 3, stay in touch. So are you trying to land on Pentagon?
Hey, we were just landing at the Pentagon.
Breaker 5825, contact System First 118.95.
1895, Breaker 5825.